In this tutorial, we'll cover how to get started as an educator in Scratch. To begin, you're going to go to scratch.mit.edu, and on the home page here, you're going to click on the For Educators button. Then you're going to scroll down and click on Teacher Accounts. That'll bring you here, and then click the Request Account button. Now that you're here, you're going to follow the dialog to create a username, password, and set up your teacher account. Typically, Scratch will have kind of a verification process to verify that you are in fact a teacher, and then once you have been verified, you will be notified of your account in Scratch. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Once you've been verified as a teacher on the Scratch platform, you'll be able to log in, and this is what your dashboard will look like. You'll see that you're listed here as a teacher account, then you'll have My Classes, Resources, and FAQs. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like to set up a class. Click on My Classes. Here you can see that I've already created one class, but let's go ahead and create a new class. To do that, we're going to click on the New Class button. From there, we're going to give our class a name and an optional description. Now click Add Class to create it. So now that we've got our class created, we can go ahead and add our students. To do that, click on the Students tab, and now we have the option to either add one student or multiple students. As you can see, there are some different options depending on how many students you're adding. If you're adding a single student, let's go through that process. So to do that, you're going to click the New Student button, and as you can see, we're going to be adding them to this class. We're going to create a username for them, check the I understand box there, and then the password will be sent to our email so that ultimately we control what the student's password is. Once we've done all of this in this dialog box, we're going to click Add Student. As you can see, we've added a student here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what it entails if we are going to upload a CSV or a spreadsheet of students to do it in one quick. So to do that, click the CSV upload button. From there, you'll see a variety of instructions to get started with the CSV template and how to upload it. So here it gives some suggested usernames, passwords, how to format those usernames and passwords. You can download an example file and then just plug your own students in that way and then upload. Click Understand, make sure that's checked, and then click Upload. So that's how you would use the Upload CSV option. The final option is to allow students to sign up themselves using a link to your class. So to do that, you would click on Student Sign Up Link in that button there, and you would check this and then click Get Link. And what that's going to do is create a unique link that you can share with your students, put up either on your whiteboard or send over. If you're using an LMS or an Educate, you can put that in the description of the class so that students can sign up with Scratch using your unique link. That way they can create their own usernames and accounts and so forth. So that's ultimately how we would get up and running with a class and add students to Scratch. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn how to use Educate and the other third-party tools accompanying your curriculum.